To connect your Wix website to Google AdSense, first go to wix.com and log into your account. Once you're in your dashboard, click on Marketing and SEO from the menu. Then select Google Ads to start the advertising setup process. Before you can link Google AdSense, it's important to complete all the required setup tasks for your website, such as verifying your site, adding all necessary pages, and ensuring it meets Google's policies. After completing these steps, you can now proceed to add Google AdSense. Follow the prompts to sign into your Google AdSense account and link it to your Wix site. This will allow you to start displaying ads and earning revenue directly from your website traffic. Make sure to review your ad placements and settings for the best results. And that's it. Your Wix website is now connected to Google AdSense. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thank you for watching.